Welcome to watch the MEEGOU shoulder and neck massage shawl tutorial video. MEEGOU MKG37 is a physical massage shawl that imitates manual kneading through the point-to-point kneading massage. Can save the hardest hit areas of soreness and stiffness, give you a real-life massage and relaxation. First of all, after receiving the product is recommended to charge before use. Massager set 4 physical buttons are the on, off key, massage timing key, hot compress on, off key, strength adjustment key. Long press 3 seconds to turn on the machine. Short press the strength key to adjust the strength. Short press the heat key for high and low level adjustment. Short press the timing key can be timed massage. Massage instrument built-in battery can also be used while charging. USB port charging can be. Massager can also be used in multiple parts. Can be used in the neck, shoulders, back, waist, legs and other parts that can be massaged. The above is MEEGOU kneading shoulder and neck massage shawl tutorial video. Thank you.